Hello guys, welcome to another episode. So guys, I have a fire spinner. Look. Look. See? I have a fire spinner for you. You know, I can't do this anymore. But enjoy it, like, share, subscribe. Actually, I have my fire spinner, as you can see. This is fire spinner right there. See? Just check out the link in the description below. Or there's no link in the description below, sorry guys. So just like, share, subscribe, and comments also. And also I have my fire spinner for you. Because I don't know, but let's go. And I have a much more fire spinner, as you can see right there. So I have a much more fire spinner. See? Okay? So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye guys. Okay. Just check it out. Look, there's a fire spinner. So this is the fire spinner when I got. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Goodbye guys.